Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. How do you know if your body is truly healthy on the inside, not just how you look in the mirror? A healthy body shows its secrets through your skin, digestion, energy, and even your sleep. Stay until the end to learn first sign your body's systems are working in harmony, and what food helps support it naturally. Clear skin and natural glow reflects good detox and hydration, balanced digestion, regular bowel movements, no constant bloating, gas, or discomfort. Steady energy levels throughout the day, no constant crashes or heavy fatigue. Strong immune system, rarely sick, quick recovery from minor colds. Restful sleep, falling asleep easily and waking up refreshed. Good mental clarity and mood, reduced brain fog, stable emotions. Are these signs matching your daily life? If this is helpful so far, make sure you keep watching because in just a moment, I'll reveal some foods that supports your body systems better than most supplements. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to tap like. It helps us share this message with more people. Whole foods rich in fiber, fruits, veggies, whole grains, keep digestion running smoothly. Lean proteins and healthy fats, fish, nuts, olive oil, fuel hormones and brain function. Hydration, water supports every organ system. Movement, daily walking or exercise keeps circulation and metabolism strong. Highlight food, leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables, they're powerful for detox, energy, and immune strength. Healthy body systems reveal themselves in clear skin, smooth digestion, steady energy, restful sleep, and a strong immune system. Nourish them with whole foods, hydration, and daily movement. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your body will thank you for every step you take toward better health.